Hi, welcome to Business Communication. This is Marketing 309 at UNCG, and we're looking at the syllabus PDF file that you found in Canvas. It is an interactive PDF in that these table of contents headers are hyperlinked. So if you click on it, then it pops immediately into the section that you clicked on. At the beginning of every page, there is a hyperlink that comes back to the beginning for ease. I do want to talk about a couple of things here. A lot of this is self-explanatory, but teaching methods is one I wanted to mention. Here it talks about this. We have a flipped style for this particular class in that you're very active in the class period. So you do the readings of the chapters and textbooks, you do the discussion boards, etc., all on your own at home. And we use the class period more for collaborative teamwork, problem solving, doing the activities that are building towards your innovative product that you turn in at the end of the semester, all during the class. We do have some guest speakers that come in, and I will have some lectures, but this is not a lecture-heavy course. While I'm here, I also want to show the textbook, which is located here. The 12th edition is what we ask you to get. If you have the 11th, it's probably not going to be too much of a problem. However, know that the page numbers will not correspond. Okay, so going back to the table of contents here, attendance and electronic devices are two very important areas. Let's pop into that really quick. If you attend all the classes, you are likely to pass with a decent grade. If you have 5 or more absences, then you risk the possibility of either being dropped from the course by me or receiving an F for the final grade. So do try to get under 5 absences, and each class period does have participation points assigned to it, and there is a sign-in that you will fill in every single day that you come to class. I do not allow cell phones or laptops, iPads, etc. during class because they are very disruptive, not only for you. Multitasking is a myth, and it also is disruptive for the class members around you, the other students around you. So it is conducted under this code of conduct. Disruptive behavior is where you can read more information about that. But this is part of that agreement that you have with me for this class, and that I consider it disruptive if you have a cell phone out and are using it. Okay, so let's pop back to the beginning and go to the next section. Because this course is speaking intensive, writing intensive, and innovation intensive, and has a group project that you are working on throughout the entire semester, there is a time commitment that you must make for this course. The Dean of Students office suggests 2 to 4 hours per day are needed for this course. If you fail to participate or communicate with your group, or the instructor, myself, after 3 business days, then I do have the right to withdraw you from the course. So you do need to be engaged and participate with your group and your instructor for this. Okay? You are probably most interested in the grading of this syllabus. Here are the rules for that. I do not round up final grades. There are many opportunities for extra credit that are offered in this course. And here is the grading layout of what equals what. Also, here's the chart on page 7 as to what type of assignments will have what kind of percentages assigned to them. All right, so you will see that there will be some individual writing, some individual speaking, team writing and team speaking, and then participation. And each of these have different categories within it. So for example, for the participation, there are discussion boards. I think there's 5 or 6 throughout the entire semester. Activities that will be coming up almost daily for class periods. Chapter quizzes are extra credit that will count into this participation if you do them. And the biggest portion of this is your participation, professionalism, which I give you, and then peer evaluations that are done 4 times by your group members within the semester. Lastly, what I would like to mention to you is that we are working throughout the entire semester on this innovative project that I've been talking to you about. We have a real client with a really wicked problem. That means that it can go anywhere. It's not just a yes or no, this or that type solution to it. It has many ways that it can be solved. Your group and you will be working throughout the semester on this problem that this client has. And at the very end, we'll produce a final 2 products actually, a final written report that we will provide to the client, and a final presentation that you as a group will do and record yourselves in a PowerPoint movie. And both of these will go to the client. So each semester, this client changes, and therefore the problem changes each semester. So again, here are the end results of this product. Thank you so much for signing up. I hope we have an enjoyable class and project that we're going to be working on throughout the semester.